Good morning. We are now here at Moyo Tent. It's a camp that we stayed at. This is, I think, the fourth camp that we have stayed. Because later today we're gonna move to a different campsite. Actually, almost every night lumilipat kami ng campsite kasi the safari is you don't go back to the same way na galing ka kahapon. So, as you move along, nag-check-in kami sa mga camp, sa mga lodge na kung saan malapit yung next game drive namin for the next day. So, this is one. Well, so far, lahat ng accommodations namin from day one is just really amazing. Nothing, you cannot really compare it to other accommodations. They gave us the newly open lodges, newly open campsites. You just really have to book early with the tour operator para mabigay nila yung best campsite, kasi hindi ganun kadami ang campsite na meron. I mean, hindi ganun kadaming rooms. Like ito, fully booked sila for almost every day. So, the only way to get these campsites, book ahead, like 6-10 months ahead before your planned trip. So, outside our tent, during the night, you can see the lions roaring, hyenas, zebras na nasa paligid lang ng campsite namin. The view is amazing. The trees around, and then nasa paligid lang yung mga zebra, hyena, may lion din, giraffe. So far around wala pa akong nakita, pero baka daw meron later. And then maganda, maluwag yung camp. I mean, yung room. Maganda yung banyo. Ayan na. You see around, ayan yung tent namin. Ay, ito na yung zebra. Ang dami. Ayan, ayan yung mga zebra. Marami sila dyan. All night, walang ginawa yan kundi lumapit dito. At kumain-kain sila. Thank you guys. See you later.